All right, guys. So we're actually here at the job site, and this is what we're doing right now. Right now, we're actually setting up the fence because we need a fence for safety reasons. We already have the bulkhead in the back. In this house, we're gonna go ahead and demo the whole entire house. Let me walk you through. Let me show you what's going on here. So we have our guys here basically setting everything up. This is the safety, the gates. They're putting in the sands to hold the gates. We have our permit on the board. We actually have our demo guy ready to go. He's waiting for the fence guys to finish. We have the bulkhead, and they're basically gonna start just demoing the whole house. Now, before we got to this point, it was very important for us to actually make sure that the house was disconnected. There was no power, no gas, no water. So there was actually a prep that we needed to do before this. In addition to that, we actually had to get permits, plans, and get approved by the city before we could start this construction. Let me take you to the back and show you what's going on here. So as I mentioned here, we have our electrical panel. This is electrical and this is connected. This is underground and it's connected to the city. This has already been removed. You'll see here that there's no meter. So we had to plan this beforehand. Also, there shouldn't be any water going on here. So you'll see here that there's no water in the house. This is very important before we start any construction. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this training. We have put together a bunch of free resources for you guys at the description below. Don't forget to watch it after the training. Now, let's get back to it. In addition to that, we actually had to call the city and they had to come here and do what's called a sunshine, where they run all the lines under the floor to make sure that there's no lines, FPL lines, gas lines in the property that cannot get affected. So we had to do all this work before we start, because if we would have started without doing that, it could have been a huge problem in this house with the neighbors, the city. We could have got fines for not following the steps. So it is very important before you start your demo to make sure you're actually checking everything that needs to be done and being prepping. Because if we wouldn't have missed something, another problem would have been that my guy would have showed up here and then he would have to stop work. And the worst thing you could do to a subcontractor is basically schedule him, get him here to do it, and then he can do his job. Now today, as you guys could see, it's a little rainy, but it ain't gonna stop us because this is day one and we gotta get this project started. All right, well, now that we have the door open, let's walk inside. So basically, I'm just looking around to make sure everything is ready to demo, but basically everything's gonna be completely gone. Like, we're gonna basically tear down this house completely because we're gonna do a brand new construction. So just looking around, make sure there's nothing fragile here. We should have gave some stuff away, like a dishwasher. Somebody would have actually wanted that, but too late now. But other than that, everything looks pretty good, ready to go. There's no hazards in the way. There's nothing, there's no power, which is very important. And we're ready to get started. And here's our project manager, Lani. Lani, welcome to Cutting Edge. So this is actually our project manager. She's in charge of this project. She's gonna be basically managing the day-to-day, coordinating throughout the whole project, throughout the process. And there you go. Because we can't stop, we won't stop. Let's go.